Going forward, we will have Ms. Sahitya Atikuke from the Comenius University of Bratislava in Slovakia, and she will be talking about simultaneous vacuum UV and UV-NIR spectroscopy for thin layers analysis and depth profiling.
I'm Sahitya. I'll be talking about laser-induced breakdown spectroscopic analysis of samples exposed in COMPAS during LM experiments. The motivation for this work is our main concern is the PFC problems. They are like erosion, migration, and deposition. So we will be going to characterize quantitatively the PFCs of the Compass-Tokamak chamber using LIBS, and also we will be doing depth profiling of lithium and lithium tin. So, in one sentence, laser-induced breakdown spectroscopy is a spectrochemical technique which utilizes an intense laser pulse to determine the atomic and elemental composition of a sample through the generation of high-temperature microplasma, followed by time-resolved optical spectroscopy. So, this can be done using nanosecond or femtosecond laser. Femtosecond laser utilizes interacts with the electron subsystem, which while the nanosecond lasers continuously interact with the different thermodynamic states of matter. So during the beginning of the lips, the plasma light is dominated by continuum emission, which is caused by Bremsstrahlung and recombination emission from the plasma. And the recombination emission corresponds to free electrons. And the advantage of this is no sample pre-treatment. It's a rapid technique, and any state of matter can be done. So it has wide range of application, mainly space exploration, deep ocean analysis. Here we will be looking into CF LIBS application in PFC diagnostics. CF LIBS corresponds to three criteria: stoichiometric ablation, LTE, and optically thin plasma. We calculate the spectral intensity, and then from the Saha-Boltzmann equation we find the slope of the we get the slope, and this slope gives information about the plasma temperature, and the deconvolution of H alpha line gives density of electron. So the sample is taken from various parts of Compass-Tokamak, which was deposited and eroded by lithium, beryllium, and carbon, and impurities like sodium, potassium, magnesium, etc. And the experiment was done using Nd:YAG laser of 1064 nanometers, and the energy was 13.5 millijoule. And the detection system consisted of Echelle spectrometer, and we have divided the spectra with the sensitivity curve, and we have a simulation from NIST and Harvard spectral lines as references. And this is the spectra which shows the presence of iron, beryllium, and chromium. This is the depth profiling of chromium in comparison with lithium. This clearly shows in the first shot. This clearly shows the maximum amount of lithium in the first shot, which keeps decreasing as the laser shot decreases. And this is the Saha-Boltzmann plot for screw number 3, which is right here in the arrow mark shown. And as expected, the lithium content in this screw must be high. And we have calculated electron density and temperature for screw number 13.2, which is also closer to the LMD target. And here is the spectrum here is the Boltzmann plot for screw number 9, which is kept which is present it farther distant from the LMD target, and hence we expect a lower lithium content. And here in the graph, you can see the plasma temperature and density, which varies from the density varies from 2.5 to 3.5 10 to the power 17 per cubic centimeter, and the temperature varies. Temperature is almost same, which says the LTE is conserved. And the screw number 3, 12, 13, and 14, which are closer to the target, has highest lithium content, and 8 and 9, which are farther from the target, has lowest lithium content. So we have the quantification of the depth analysis has been done, and the result shows the main constitute to be lithium, beryllium, and carbon. Sorry, lithium, boron, and carbon. And the lithium ranges from 0.3 to 0.6 percentage. And we will also be studying about the lithium and tin, but the experiment must be done in vacuum condition. Thank you so much for your attention.
Thank you very much, Sahitya.